How to check Target gift card balance. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually check your Target gift card balance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually check your Target's gift card balance, all you have to do is simply open up your browser over here. Then once you open up your browser, you will see this type of interface. What you need to do is you just need to visit this direct link, which I'll make sure to drop a link below, which is target.com/gift card/balance. Then once you go to this official URL, I'll make sure to drop a link. You want to make sure that you're signed into your Target account, right? As you can see on the right hand side, we're already signed in. Now all you need to do is make sure to enter your gift card number over here. Once you make sure to actually enter your gift card number, if the details are actually correct, you should be able to go ahead and successfully enter the access number as well. Once you enter the access number, you should be able to go ahead and simply click on the check balance button from the bottom of the screen to check the available balance inside of this gift card. This is how you can actually check your Target gift card balance. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.